Well, good night, good evening. Welcome. I thought I'd do a little Saturday night light up. Tonight's feature set is a set of old 1928 era Goodlight decorative lighting outfit for all occasions. This box is fairly rough. Obviously, it's old. It's yellowed quite bad, and it's extremely brittle. It actually breaks quite easily. Inside is a beautiful old set of cloth wire covered sockets. It's got the old red and green mottled colored composite sockets, and it's got some relatively old bulbs in there. They're probably from the 1930s or 40s probably. The directions are actually still in there. Anyways, let's see if we can make these things light up. I'll get my dimmer box powered up here. I'll try to get this cord unwound without ripping this box up further. Amazingly, the wires are in pretty good shape on this set of lights. Actually, they're still pretty soft. Let's see what happens here. Let me get off another couple of spools of wire here, so I can pick this up when they're actually lit up. And evidently we've got a loose connection here somewhere. Again. There we go. We got them. As you can see, they still light up quite nicely. Got those beautiful old blue light bulbs from the 1930s and 40s time frame. Really rich, pretty blue color. But anyways, I'll shut them off and we'll call that good. I'll do another one here at some point in time.